Okay, so in this question we've been told Geraldine measured the length of each of 44 pencils correct to one decimal place. Her measurements are shown below. Write down the limits of the modal class. Now the modal class will have the highest frequency, or in this case the highest number of pencils. So the class with the highest number of pencils is clearly this class, and its limits are 12.8 to 14. Part 2. Write down the boundaries of the class within which the median lies. Now the median will be the middle pencil in this case. If we have 44 pencils in total, it will lie halfway between the 22nd and the 23rd pencil. So to find out which group those pencils are in, we will construct a cumulative frequency column. Now the cumulative frequency is quite simply a running total, or an adding up of all the frequencies. So we start off with 8. 8 plus 13 is 21. Plus 11 is 32. Plus 12 is 44. So no, the 21st pencil was in this group, so the 22nd and 23rd are in this third group. Now this time we were asked for the boundaries. So the boundaries for this group are, where would I stop being in this group and start to be in this one? So in this case, 14 to 14.1. The halfway point between those is 14.05. So that's the lower boundary, 14.05. And the upper boundary of this group will be 15.3 into 15.4. Halfway between those is 15.35. So that gives me the boundaries of that class. We'll move on now to question 11. It says here, give an example of a continuous variable. Now a continuous variable would be any, for example, measurement, where you can have any value within a certain range. So for example, we could say weight, we could also say height, we could also say time. Any of those would be a continuous variable. If we then look at the second part, we're asked for a discrete variable. This differs from a continuous variable because it can only take certain values between a range. It can also be, so for example, we could have shoe size, because shoe sizes at most come in half sizes. So while we can get a size 2 and a size 2.5, we couldn't get a 2.1 or a 2.2 or a 2.15 shoe size. Another example would be dresses, etc.